Okay, so what we'll be looking at now is the next phase of this meeting, and I'm going to be speaking with Mr. Ikot. So he's going to be talking about as well as cryptocurrency trends, cryptocurrency trends and how they relate to S wallets. So the next voice you'll be hearing is that of Mr. Ikot. Mr. Ikot, over to you, sir. Is he here? Can you hear me, Mr. Ikot?
All right, thank you very much, Wisdom. First off, I would like to apologize for about earlier. It was a connection problem, so please, I'm really sorry about that. Okay, to get with this next stage that we are in right now, all of us, since we are all into cryptocurrency, we have witnessed what has befall us as people who are into cryptocurrency. What has been happening in the crypto sphere recently? I mean, it hasn't been this worse before. Personally, in my own personal experience, I've never experienced this kind of bear market before. It's how would I put it? It's disheartening. But despite this present market condition, we still have a huge hope for a bullish market, which will most likely happen anytime from now, very soon. Upon this, the bear market is upon us because there is a lot of promising projects out there, including S Wallet, because presently we are talking about S Wallet. So S Wallet is mostly going to be my focus point for now. That S Wallet still possesses this tendency to return excellent incentives to their community and holders. Top projects such as BTC, Ethereum, BNE, BNB, Shiba, Sol, ADA, etc. Those are great projects too. That most likely, since we are in the bear market now, anytime from now, I believe the market will start going bullish. This downtrend in cryptocurrencies, man, has raised various alarms. Me like this, I have I have personally just locked up my holdings. I've just transferred it into S Wallet so that I'll hold it. And since S Wallet is a stable coin, and presently the bear market doesn't affect the S Wallet coin, the S Wallet still maintains, and its all-time high was once $1.4 per S Wallet token. And recently, if you open your S Wallet app right now, it will be around 1.14. The bear market hasn't really affected it, which is quite impressive. I mean, take a look at something a coin like Bitcoin. At the beginning of this year, there was a lot of speculation that towards the middle of the year or towards the ending of the year, Bitcoin was going to get up to $75,000 to $100,000. But take a look at it now. A lot of things have happened, and a coin like Ethereum, coin like BNB, coins that we never expected to go this way, but it's a bear market. You can never know what to expect. So talking about S Wallet token, this token has maintained its balance and has maintained its balance. It hasn't gone beyond $1 since the beginning of the May market. It has still maintained between its all-time high of 1.4 and going down to 1.01 or something. It hasn't gone beyond $1. It has still maintained. Also, as a member of the S Wallet community and cryptosphere, I strongly believe that this steady green, this steady coin is worth investing in. Honestly speaking, we have to put our all into this coin because it has been able to withstand the bear market, which is well, all of us we all understand all this how this bear market has been. It's really emotional to most of us. So at this point, I I would like to end at this point. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ikot. I think we all heard the wise man's approach to the bearish period. He personally said that he's transferred all his crypto holdings to what did he say? Sorry, transferred all his crypto holdings to S Wallet, and then until the bear period passes. Actually, it's a smart move. SWP has shown serious signs of stability over time, and yeah, it's only plausible that, or it's only normal and wise to store your crypto assets in SWP. That way, while we are waiting to weather the storm, we can still have hope on, something to fall back on once the whole bear period is out. Okay, so I'll be going ahead to also mention some of the cryptocurrency trends that have occurred recently and also how they relate to S Wallet. So bear with me. I'll just be reading through something I've written here already. First, uh, there has been increased regulation of crypto assets. Now, regulation simply means setting of certain rules and laws that govern the operation of complex systems. So the system we're looking at here is cryptocurrency. The purpose of this increased financial regulation is to protect investors, prevent fraudulent activity within the crypto ecosystem, provide clear guidance to allow companies to innovate. I had a call, sorry. Can you hear me? Is anybody hearing me, please?
Yes,
You hear me, right?
we can hear you. Go ahead.
Okay, okay. So, okay, sorry, I muted my mic. You hear me now, right?
Yes, go ahead, please.
All right. So, the purpose of increased financial regulation is to protect investors, prevent theft in the ecosystem, provide clear guidance to allow companies innovate in the crypto economy, and also address environmental concerns that are related to crypto mining. According to a blog I saw online, Abismart, they say 2021 saw many government bodies and financial institutions exploring the financial impact of cryptocurrencies on global economies, and many central banks were weighing the risk to their financial stability from digital assets. Of course, like we know, there was a time where Bitcoin was banned in Nigeria. Bitcoin was also banned in China, and India took initial steps to introduce regulation banning all private crypto assets. And we should, as a trend, we should expect more governmental interest in cryptocurrency and expect activities like introduction of CBDCs, that's central bank digital currencies. As we speak, about 79 countries are at various stages of developing their own cryptocurrencies. Of course, we know Nigeria is not left behind. Who else heard about the e-naira? Who else heard about e-naira? Those are some of the central bank digital currencies. Government is wanting to come in on crypto, and I think that's a good thing. If their coins can come in and pull up more value as well, yeah, of course we'll trade them. Okay, there also it will be broader Web 3.0 adoption. Yeah, a web that is more personalized to you. You kind of own the web. You receive content that meet your particular needs per time. These are some of the trends in cryptocurrency. The next thing we're looking at is Bitcoin resurgence. Indeed, this is what everybody is praying for, I believe. Resurgence, because there has been a dip, like we all know. Last year, Bitcoin had hit a peak of over 67,000. I think it even got to $70,000. And then all of a sudden it dropped to 35,000 mid-January this year. And today, as I checked about this afternoon, it's trading for under $19,000. So, investors and researchers are saying that Bitcoin could hit $200,000 in the second half of 2022, a climb of over 460%. I think that's over 500 now, 600%. So we're only hoping for the best with that. Those are some of the trends that we are expecting in cryptocurrencies. And then they say, while some analysts are also projecting a Bitcoin collapse in 2022 to as low as $10,000. What? So that means the $18,000 trading that we are seeing Bitcoin do in this period is not even enough. People are saying it might get to $10,000, and that's low. But anyways, we're keeping hopes up. those are some of the trends. Another trend is the increase in institutional crypto investment. So some massive companies, top companies like Meta and Microsoft, they are diving headfirst into the metaverse, and leading global brands like Nike have already come on board with virtual products, with more likely to follow their lead for a slice of the pie. So growth is anticipated in the area of decentralized finance, that's DeFi. Banks too are showing increased interest and are introducing loan products that are backed up by crypto assets. So even the banks are coming in for a slice too. And we're looking at big time companies that are already established are vesting their funds, their investment in cryptocurrencies. This means good for us because it really means there will be increased activity in the crypto ecosystem, thereby giving everybody a chance to, trade, make the most of the period, and amass the wealth therein as much as possible. So how does this relate to S Wallet? It's all the more opportunity for crypto enthusiasts and investors to dig into the top-notch, secure, and seamless experience that S Wallet offers. I assure you that the S Wallet team is working towards the addition of more cryptocurrencies to the S Wallet app, so users can buy and hold. We call it HODL, HODL, their desired cryptocurrency with peace of mind. Would you like to be like Mr. Ikot? Okay, so remember, as we close, before you invest in any cryptocurrency, do your research and don't rush into the market. Also, remember, you have a safe and secure wallet. You have S Wallet, a safe and secure platform to purchase and transfer your crypto assets quickly and with ease. My name is Wisdom Equere, and I'm done speaking. As we round up tonight, do we have any questions? Okay, none. So, in the absence of any, we will be calling it a night. It was wonderful having this meeting, and although the time has spilled over beyond our plans due to network and some other issues, but thank you very much for coming. And any questions should be dropped in the Blockchain Coterie group, and they will be attended to. Thank you very much. And my name is Wisdom Equere, signing out. Okay, so what we'll be looking at now is the next phase of this meeting, and I'm going to be speaking with Mr. Ikot. So he's going to be talking about as well as cryptocurrency trends, cryptocurrency trends and how they relate to S wallets. So the next voice you'll be hearing is that of Mr. Ikot. Mr. Ikot, over to you, sir. Is he here? Can you hear me, Mr. Ikot?